Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and in description tab you can able to see the three different options are there. Depends on your need. You just need to do the mod guys. I'm gonna go with the level 3. So go to files and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then this will open up. Click on the mod and make this left side. On right side, you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. Uh, After you are in the game folder, you just need to go to midnight folder, content folder, packs folder, and now just drag and drop the mod level. Depends on your need. In my case, I'm going with the level 3. After drag and drop these mod, just close stuff here and launch the game and enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.